Well, mortgage rates are averaging above 7% for the past 4 weeks, according to Freddie Mac. High rates and high home prices are weighing on buyers and builders. Here with the latest on the housing sector, we've got our very own Danny Romero. Danny, how are home builders reacting to mortgage rates right now?
Brad, home builders are not feeling confident about the housing market, especially that mortgage rates have stayed above 7%. The index that tracks home builder confidence came in at 45 points in May. That is 6 points lower than the April's figure, the National Association of Home Builders reported. Remember, any number above 50 indicates that builders view conditions to be good rather than poor. So this really highlights how builders and also buyers are feeling right now in this higher for longer environment. Now, one of the points that I want to point out from this report is that 25% of builders actually cut home prices to boost sales up. Another thing that was interesting was 59% of builders used incentives to also move some sales and inventory around, Brad.
So rates remain elevated, as we're taking a look here on the screen at. What about housing inflation? What are we seeing there?
Brad, shelter disinflation is on track, according to experts. And there are 2 points in the April's inflation report that really highlight this. First is rent, came in at 0.3% month over month. That was the smallest rise. And also experts tell me that that really reflects and resembles the pre-COVID days. Another encouraging aspect from this report really is owner's equivalent rent. That is OER. That's the hypothetical rent a homeowner would pay for the same property. That remained unchanged at 0.4%, but the fact that it has softened within the month is really encouraging, experts have been telling me. So housing inflation has slowed from its peak of 8.2% a year ago, but yes, only to 5.5%. But one economist from Oxford Economics said it this way: we have to be a little bit more patient than expected, especially that CPI lags real-time rent data, Brad.
All right. Danny, thanks so much for breaking this down. A lot of commentary specifically on shelter